If you and your friends are looking to explore the 71% of the Earth that's covered in water, it's time to get the easy loading Suppup. Hey, it's Scott from Yakima here to show you how the Suppup is not only easy to install, but the easiest way to get stand-up paddleboards or surfboards to and from all that water. Alright, let's get these up on top so we can paddle out. The Suppup is equipped with universal mounts, so right out of the box, it's ready to go on most vehicle racks without extra equipment or adapters. First, slide the Suppup over the crossbar, making sure the clamp jaws open towards the front of the vehicle. Visit Yakima.com to see which notch the hinge of the jaws should be set on for your style of crossbar. Guide the tightening bolt through the bottom half of the clamp. Give the bolt a 90-degree spin, then tighten it down. Cap the bolts with the included hardware and ensure that it is tightened down and good to go. Now, repeat on the rear crossbar. Make sure the rack aligns with the front one. Tighten it down, and we're ready for some boards to get aboard. Slide the excess strap out of the body of the rack and free the strap from the clamp. Place your largest board on the rack with the fins forward and facing up, as close as possible to the side you're clamping from. The sliding clamp on the other side adjusts to hold boards all the way up to 34 inches wide. Lay the straps over the board, giving each strap a full twist in the middle of the board, and thread the end loosely through the clamp. Position the strap pads at the edge of the board, and the rest is a cinch. No, really, just cinch them down tight and tuck the free strap ends back into the body of the Suppup. Now let's put a leash on this puppy. Make a loop through the board's leash anchor and attach the included tie-down to this loop. Anchor the other end of the tie-down to the vehicle's tow hook or other sturdy spot and pull the strap tight. Safe and sound. Good boy. Want to double up on friends? Just make sure you've got proper padding between the two boards and stack the smaller board on top. Installed and ready to hit the road in minutes. That's what's up with the Suppup. Gear goes here. Friends go here. Yakima, take more friends.